We're solving problem 14 from the 2018 F equals MA exam A. Three identical masses are connected with identical rigid rods and pivoted at point A. If the lowest mass receives a small horizontal push to the left, it oscillates with period t sub 1. If it instead receives a small push into the page, it oscillates with period t sub 2, and we want to find the ratio of t1 to t2. Now, the first thing to remember or note is that as if like this is oscillating, the angular frequency of something like this would be omega equals mgd over I, where I is the inertia at like the moment of the push. So in this case, distance d will be the length of one of the rods divided by 3. So it's about here, and then this is L over 3. And then there's two moments of inertia. Moment 1 is 3 ml squared. The second moment, however, is only ml squared. Then, to solve for t1 over t2, this can simplify into omega 2 over omega 1. And then this is going to be the square root of I1 over I2, which is what we solve for here. And so plugging in the values, we get that I1, 3 ml squared over I2 ml squared gets us square root of 3, which is our answer for this problem and is answer choice C on the test.